Hi, this is Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at a recent trade, 2014 215 Scarab jet boat. The boat does have a single axle swing tongue trailer. The boat does have a black hull. Taking a quick look inside. Very cool design. Boat does have the forward-facing wakeboard bimini tower. Black hull. Aft seating. Lots of space inside. Captain's chairs. Again, 2014 215 Scarab jet boat. Boat will not last long and how we have it priced. Feel free to give me a call at 813-909-5064 and let's talk about the Scarab. Talk to you soon.